In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a long video in Google Classroom. Whether you're a teacher trying to share an engaging lecture or a student wanting to present your project, attaching a video correctly is crucial for seamless sharing and playback. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and ensure your video gets to the right audience without a hitch. First, we need to take your video and upload it to Google Drive. Why Google Drive? Well, it's an integrated service that works hand in hand with Google Classroom, making the process much more streamlined. Begin by opening Google Drive. If you're unfamiliar, you can easily find it on the Google Apps menu or navigate directly via your web browser. Once you're in Google Drive, head over to the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select File Upload. This action will pop up a window where you can browse through your computer files. Locate the video you wish to share. Keep in mind that larger files might take a bit longer to upload, so patience is key here. After you've chosen your video, it will begin to upload to Google Drive. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right of your screen, so keep an eye on that. Once the upload is complete, you'll find your video among your Google Drive files. Simply right-click on the video file and you'll see an option that says Get Link. Selecting this is crucial for the next steps. Now on to link sharing settings. This step ensures that your intended viewers can access your video without any playing restrictions. When you click Get Link, a panel will open. Here you'll see sharing options. You can decide between anyone with the link or specific people. If you choose anyone with the link, this means viewers who have the link can view it regardless of their Google account status, a useful option for larger audiences or varied groups. Alternatively, if you're sharing within a specific institution or class, select specific people to maintain more control over who accesses the content. With your link ready to go, let's proceed to Google Classroom. Navigate to Google Classroom and open the class where you wish to share your video. At the top you'll see tabs, click on Classwork. From there you can create a new assignment by selecting Create and then choosing Assignment from the drop-down menu. In the assignment creation window you'll see the option Add underneath the description field. Click on it, then select Google Drive. This is where you'll find the video you uploaded earlier. Simply select the video and it will be added to your assignment. All set and ready for submission. By following these steps, you can effectively share long videos in Google Classroom, providing accessible content for any educational needs. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.